Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun idea to learn and play with vibrations and sounds by using different materials in what I call a string instrument. Let's get started. Just loop the string around, tie a knot, and make sure it's fastened tightly. Now make sure you go counterclockwise on the right and clockwise on the left. I didn't do that. I forgot. This way, when you tighten the screws, the strings don't loosen. You want the rotation of the tightened screw to tighten the string. The materials, again, are a nylon string, the yellow. The blue is just a coated 14 gauge wire, and I used fishing line. You can use any string you'd like. You can use the same string. You can even try different lengths. I went the same length. The hardware I just randomly picked out. It was what was available. You can try to find anything you can use. These little kind of plastic holders worked really nicely as the string looped over the top of them to give it height from the board. And I measured to try to get a good looking string instrument. You don't have to hammer a pilot hole, but it helps. It makes the screwing a little easier. And again, I loop it around and tie it. I think each one I may have done even differently. The blue wire was the easiest to work with. The fishing line is very difficult because the line has a memory. It's around in a circle, and if you've ever gone fishing, you know what I mean. Did you know fishing line had a memory? This is an app that I got on the Play Store. It's a ukulele tuner. I like this app because it showed the frequency and it showed the note that was played. It wasn't just a tuner. It identified the note. So that was kind of cool. This is a miniature clothes hanger pole, and I've never seen one so small, but I thought it might work well as a slide for the strings. I just slide it along to make different lengths. Kind of fun. So I used fishing line and then just some nylon all-purpose string. And then I used, I think it's about 14 gauge wire just to get 3 different things. I do have some B string guitar strings. That would be cheating. Well, this instrument has a lot of work before it's ready for music. Anyway, it's fun to play with vibrations and sounds using strings. Next video, I'm going to show you how to play with vibrations and sounds using pipe. See you next time.